In this video, I will show you how you can flip samples to make some slow, mellow vaporwave. And I'm using a track that I made last year called Until the Morning Sun, and it sounds like this. And for this track, this is actually the song that I sampled. I also sped up the sample, but I will show you later on why I did this. I took this section and only extracted the vocals. For the drums, I sampled this instrumental, and with the vocals, it sounds like this. For this track, these are the two main samples that I'm using, but I also added some ear candy. That is how it sounds before, and then after the effects it sounds like this. Again, this is what we had before. So after all the effects like slowing it down, pitch shifting, reverb, adding a tape cassette filter to give it that slow, mellow vaporwave vibe, we have this. If you found this video helpful in terms of how to make some chill vaporwave, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And if you enjoy this type of content, then please subscribe and help the channel grow. And if you would like to see some more of these sample flip type of videos, just check out this playlist right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Just stay with me until the morning sun.